Hello, welcome to Moralis. This is Malik here, and today I will walk you through the process of creating a decentralized application on Avalanche network using Moralis. As you know, a few days ago we announced that we are completely supporting Avalanche network, and that means you can create any sort of decentralized application with very minimal effort. To begin, what I did was transfer some of my funds from the Ethereum wallet to my Avalanche wallet, and using this bridge I was able to achieve that. As you can see here, I have some funds and we will use this for our test application. This is our application and it is an Avalanche wallet tracker. It directly reads the nodes of Avalanche and comes up with the values that the wallet has. It can read ERC20s, it can read the native balance, and it can also read what NFTs you have. And I will just show you how easy it is to get all of this started. To begin, let me first walk you through the application, then we will go through the code and see how it was built. So we can sign in using MetaMask over here. And as soon as I sign in, a user is made on the backend, and as you can see, it is fetching all the details from the nodes directly and giving you the balances. These are the tokens that this wallet has. This is the native balance of this network. In this case, it is AVAX, and the NFTs that it owns. As you can see, this is a real-time wallet tracker, as in if I do any transactions over here right now, it will reflect directly. So let us give a shot. Let's transfer some funds from this wallet to another wallet, and let's see if it shows up over here. Put in the value, click next, confirm, and the transaction is pending. As soon as the transaction goes through, you will see an update in the balance over here as well. As you can see, the balance actually updated faster than the MetaMask. That means the MetaMask is slower than the Moralis infrastructure over here. That gives you so much power to build your decentralized applications. So this is the basic wallet tracker that we'll be building, and I will walk you through the code and the server setup on how to make this happen. Let's log out. To begin development, first you would need a Moralis server, which you can create in the Moralis server dashboard over here. Just click on create a new server, mainnet server, click on Avalanche and name the server whatever you would like. After that, you will see it up and running just like the one that I have here. And if you click on view details, you will get the server URL and the application ID that you need to connect your front end to these servers. To build our application, we have used React and the basic create React app template. We have added 3 more npm packages, namely Moralis, React Moralis, and Chakra UI. Chakra UI is a personal preference for building UI components. You can use anything else you would like. Now, if you go to the index.js, you can see that the initialization of Moralis is done over here. The app ID and the server URL is picked up from the dashboard, provided to the Moralis provider, and then the application is wrapped around it. This initiates Moralis, and now you can use all of the Moralis functionality. Let's dive into the app component right now and see what we have there. The app component comprises of 3 major calls to the Web3 API that we have, and that is where the magic lies. You can see one of them is get native balance, the second get token balances, and get NFTs. Here, using these 3 calls, we are able to get the data in real time directly from the nodes. If you move on, you will see we have a use effect functionality to call the fetch functionality after every 5 seconds. This will give us the real-time balances. And on top of that, we have an on-chain changed functionality, which will notify the users every time it has changed from Avalanche to something else. Here, we are checking if it is authenticated, and this is also provided by the Moralis hook. It's authenticated and authenticate the user and the Moralis entire SDK. So if it is not authenticated, then we tell them to sign in using MetaMask. Here, instead of MetaMask, you can use Wallet Connect or any other provider that you like. Below, you will find that we have the native balance component. And here we are just fetching the native balance and showing it over here. You don't have to worry about the async await functionality. Everything is taken care of by the hook. Same goes for tokens. And after you get the tokens, we display it in a table. This table is very straightforward, where you have a normal table and rows, and based on the data, we map it to the table. Moving on, as you can see, the same functionality goes for NFTs as well. We fetch the NFT, then we populate the data into the table. We check if it's null or not, and as it gets updated in real time, it populates the table. As you can see, this is the entire functionality of the app. It is very straightforward, and you can build this within 10-20 minutes. And this shows the power of Moralis, and if you would like to learn more, please check out the other tutorials as well. This is Malik here. Thank you for watching and have a good one.